What's up, guys? So I got me a hot date tonight. Can't see you.
That's me.
So it's been a minute since Jenna has ridden in anything fast. That I don't know. What was the last thing that you rode in that was fast? I mean, honestly, it's been a minute. It's been a while. Whitey has been off of street duty. I mean, she used to ride with me we used to drive Whitey everywhere, change his slicks at the track and go racing, and she went with me to do that. But that's been a long time. I mean, probably 6 or 7 years at least, right? So we've got, Whitey's a little bit more special now, we'll say. So
Special and
yeah, so
faster.
we're gonna go take a stroll in the white car after grabbing some food, and
No, can we do it before that?
I said, you don't want to go eat now? You just said you were hangry.
I am hungry, but I don't want to get too excited.
Cinematic doesn't want to focus on two people. I don't know how that works, but so. All right, let's go jump in, Whitey. I don't want to do. We'll wait till it's a little later. So, let's go get in the white car. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go get gas at Sheets, and then we'll go get something, and then we'll go see what you think of Whitey. Last time I think we rode it was at Wilkesboro, and I did not have a GoPro in the vehicle.
I had Cashton on the lap.
Yeah, we did a 60-foot hit with Cashton on her lap. It was allowed, I promise. All right, let's get to the gas station without seeing any police yet. Not bad. Got to fill the old girl up here real quick. What do you think so far?
I'm a little nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know, because I haven't been in it since you put all the...
Speak up. We have going out here.
I haven't been in it like this, or ridden in it when you're going fast since...
It's not going to be too bad.
And
It's not
since
going to
you've
be
done all this other
yeah.
extracurriculars
It's not going to be
to
too
it.
bad. All right, so I lied. We're not going to wait. We're going to go now.
We're going to go now. So is it just going to sit there and record this?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's turn the delay down. Let's let it hit all at once.
You're not going to...
What? Burnout? No. We're going to do it from a roll. Just because, like, we don't have, like, any burnout, no patch. I'm on radials. So, no digs today, boys.
You know how awkward it is just sitting here with cameras just recording?
Yeah.
You want to tell them a joke or...
No, a dirty joke. What? White horse fell in a mud puddle. Ford keeps sending me things telling me I have to replace that passenger airbag. Under warranty.
Are you trying to be funny?
I'm just telling you.
No, you're being for real?
Yeah. Something about if it goes off, it like puts metal shrouds into your... Yeah. But we ain't gonna have to deal with that.
Okay. I wish you would have told me this after.
I don't know if the airbag will even deploy with the front end the way it is.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd you think?
That was a lot
get a
faster
reaction.
than I expected.
Let's get a reaction.
You got your reaction.
No, I mean, what do you
Oh,
think?
afterwards, the
Yeah.
after interview?
Yeah, this after interview. So what do you think about Whitey?
It was fast. It was very fast, and I did not think that you were going to do it around other cars.
Are you excited to get to race it possibly in Sick Week?
Possibly in 6.
Yeah. I mean, okay, well, I want Dominator fuel system, shifter, and looks like we may need to do a rebuild on the transmission. Just little things.
Yeah.
Little things. So where are we at?
We're at Lowe's.
Why are we at Lowe's?
It's my treat.
It's
for
your
being a
treat.
team player.
Yeah. All right. Let's get.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the